Hi, and welcome to another edition of our netElastic video demonstration series. In this video, we'll demonstrate BNG Manager's event monitoring and notification capabilities. If you're not familiar with BNG Manager, it's our web-based management application that helps service providers monitor and manage all of the vRouter, CGNet router, and BNGs across your network. It provides a single pane of glass that can collect operational telemetry, long-term trending over extended periods of time, up to a year, and even has a web-based configuration capability in addition to our CLI standard configuration capabilities. There's visibility and troubleshooting tools for your support team and a lot of other features included. Today we're going to focus on event-based monitoring and setting up alerts. With event-based monitoring, you can monitor all the different metrics across vRouter, CGNet, or BNG, and then trigger those to be either logged as events or also optionally send an alert. Things like making sure your routing is set up correctly, CPU, RAM, and other critical resource utilization is within spec. You can also use it for capacity planning and to alert you when traffic across certain interfaces is approaching time for a network augment. Things like online user counts and tracking your remaining license time are also very helpful. In fact, let's jump over to the BNG Manager and show you how that's done. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that we've got a user set up in BNG Manager with the correct and accurate contact information. This will be used for the alert and notification capabilities. So here I've got a user called Alert Me, and I've set up the username and a phone number. And now we'll go over and actually set up our events. So on the Operations Event menu, you'll see the event log. We're going to switch over to the tab called Settings. And you can see I've got a number of events already being logged, but I'm going to create a new one. And so I'll click the Addition button on the right. I'll give this one a new name. Let's call this one Subscriber Limit Approaching. So this might be useful for a customer or an ISP with, say, 10,000 subscriber licensed, and you want to know when you're approaching that limit, you're growing, and you want to be able to upgrade that license at the appropriate time. So I will look at the total number of users online, and when I see that get close to 10,000, I'll make that like 9,800 greater than, and put in 9,800, and I'll make that a warning. And I'll just save that, and that's really all there is to do to get it logged. Now I'll go over and click subscribers, and I'm going to have some of my users subscribe to notifications for that alert. So I'll click the select the user Alert Me, and in this case email is fine. I don't need to be sent a text on this one. So I'll save that. I'll get a confirmation email, and that's really all there is to it. So let's set up another one, and this one might be, let's say our license is expiring soon. So we'll click the Addition button, give it a name, license expiring soon, and under the rule, I'll click the metric for the license remaining lifetime. I'll collect less than, and we'll pick 2 days. And with 2 days left, that's pretty important, so we'll call that a critical issue. And we could also set up another one, say a week ahead of time, that would be an early warning. I'll also go back to the user, and this time I'll select phone and email, so that way I get a text and an email. And I'll save that. I'll also get a confirmation text and email that I've subscribed to that alert. And now those two alerts have been set up, and they'll get logged, and I'll get notified if those thresholds are crossed. So please check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you for watching.